Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be folding the revolver. It's like a intermediate level, but it's pretty easy. And like always, I'm gonna speak in broad terms. So I'm gonna assume that you already know how to fold, origami. Um, but get your diagram ready out too. I'm gonna try to link it below. So you're gonna want to fold a 16 by 16 grid. So fold it in half in both directions. And you're gonna fold the edges to the center 3 times. Okay. Okay, now fold the edge to the center once like this, and a second time like so, and a third time. Okay. Okay, and do that for all the sides. Okay, and now you're going to fold the edge like this on both sides until you hit the center point right there. Okay, so this is gonna be at the bottom of this edge. Okay, so like a fan, you're gonna bring this one corner together until you hit the bottom, until you hit the center line. Okay, that, then one more time. or maybe until there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 squares here. Because I think I always did it this way. So when you fold it like this, there should be 3 squares in the front and 5 in the back, like this. Okay, so I guess you can forget what I said, but yeah, try to follow the diagram that they provided. So yeah, there should be 8 squares going across, and fold the whole thing from the third column here. Okay, so this part here, and so at the back there should be 5 squares like this. Okay, and now you're going to pull this out, and you kind of want to make like a you want to fold these 2 squares in half like a paper airplane. So pull this all the way out and make an fold these 2 squares in half, making like an airplane shape. Like that. Then you're gonna fold this whole thing down, and the same thing in the back too. So do that. Yep. And just follow the crease line. Just fold them up like a fan. Okay. And you do the same, and you want to fold it now this side. So you want to leave 1 column in the front and fold the rest of them down like a fan. Okay. And the same thing here. So you're going to pull this all the way out. That. And make like a little paper airplane here. Okay. And the same thing in the back. Okay. And fold this side down. So fold like a paper, like a fan. Okay. You just have to follow the squares. Okay. So when you're like folding it down, like it will like wants to, like fold down, and you just have to follow it down. And now on this side you're gonna leave 1 column at the end, and you're gonna fold this side down also like you're folding a fan. See, while you're just like folding it down, this wants to you will see which one goes where. So this corner goes all the way out. Make like a paper airplane shape. See, all the way up to the end. And for here, on the side, you just leave one column on the side, and you're gonna fold the side down, the edge, also like a fan. Okay, on both sides. And I'm gonna continue on the next video. So yeah, continue watching.